Lastly, let's go over the Paint Bucket tool. Go ahead and click on Paint Bucket. Here in our dialog box, you can see that we are already in our default paint color. Now let's go ahead and click on the Sample Paint tool, and let's click on the Architect's Jacket. Here you can see the Architect's material is called Steve Jacket, and now it is the current material, and we can apply that to our model. Go ahead and click on a surface. Now over here in our dialog box, we can click on this arrow and we will get access to SketchUp's default material selection. Let's click on Brick and Cladding. Now let's click on Cladding, Siding, Tan. Let's click on our model again. We can also edit our materials by going to the Edit tab. Let's change the value of this material by changing 2'6" to 1 foot. Hit enter and you will see the value change in our material here. Let's also change the colors by moving our bars over here. Now let's add some more colors by going to select our pull down tab and let's go to colors. Select color 007. Let's click on our roof. Now in our pull down tab, if we go all the way up, it will show us the current materials in our model. So here are our current materials in our model right now. Go ahead and spend some time getting to know the different categories of materials. Try applying some to your model and editing them as well.